Welcome to the Fadi factory. This is what the track of a drag race looks like. The surface is really sticky so the cars can get a good grip.
Got it. Let's see that. Oh, shh.
This is called a lacewing larvae, and the reason why they look so fuzzy is because they like to put dust and dead insect remains on their back to remain hidden while hunting for food.
That is weed. That is weed walking to his ring. That is weed. That's supposed to be loud, ain't it?
This is called a fire hose rodeo, and this is what firefighters do when they're not saving lives. This is the smallest house ever created by humans. The house measures at 20 micrometers long, which is equivalent to about 3 human hairs. The house was cut out and then folded together, kind of like what you would do with origami. This is called the hickory-horned devil caterpillar. Although they look like they were created by the devil himself, they're actually totally harmless. These caterpillars are one of the largest in the world, and they are the largest caterpillars in North America. Someone decided that instead of putting cheese on a burger, they would put cheese inside a burger. This little penguin was released back into the wild and wasn't really sure what to do.